In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you how we used AI to clone me, teach weekly on YouTube, and get 1,000 plus users to our SaaS platform. Without ads, a sales team, or filming every day. Sounds wild? But it works. You don't need to be a YouTuber, you don't need to be on camera daily, and you definitely don't need a big team or budget. Let's break it down. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to build a content system that brings in new users, builds trust, and runs without you, even if you've never made a video before. SaaS founders don't need another funnel. You don't need 10 cold email tools or a webinar that nobody finishes. The best SaaS companies you admire, they grew by teaching. Ahrefs, their CMO dropped weekly how-to YouTube tutorials. Notion, community-led how-to content. Webflow built a product university. Loom, their entire early growth was tutorial-led. ClickUp, a video for every feature use case. But here's the thing, they had time, teams, and production budgets. We didn't. So we built a smarter, faster system. We cloned KOOL, used AI to teach consistently, and created a weekly content engine that brought in users. And now the playing field is even. You can build an audience that drives product signups, even if you only create 1 to 3 videos a week. By day 30, you could have 10 plus high-value educational videos, dozens of repurposed assets across socials, a trust engine that brings in trial users every week. Let me show you how. This is the exact system we used and how you can copy it for your SaaS. The clone to client flywheel. Clone your presence. Teach weekly on YouTube. Repurpose to every platform. Build trust, drive signups, grow without ads. Part 1. What they did versus what we did. The SaaS giants, Ahrefs, $100 million ARR off weekly tutorials. Notion, endless use case videos from the community. Webflow, education equals conversion. Loom, tutorial-led launch. ClickUp, video-first onboarding and feature education. What we did, cloned me with a neon-styled AI avatar, launched a YouTube channel, teaching how to create viral videos, delivered full how-to content, no fluff, showed our platform as a shortcut, repurposed like crazy, no ads, no sales team, just value. Part 2, avatar or not, pick your format. We tested both. Option 1, voice plus screen share. Easy, human, real, great for technical SaaS demos or early founders. Option 2, AI avatar. We went this route. Stylized version of me, cool, fun, creative, approachable. Can be you, your best sales rep, or a fictional brand face. Your move. Pick the version that matches your audience, plus vibe. Part 3, the AuthorityVideos method. Clone to content to client. Step 1, start with a real problem. What we did, taught how to make viral video content manually. You do pick your user's number 1 pain point. That's your first video title. Step 2, teach the long way. We showed B-roll sites, hook writing, manual editing. You show the hard way to get the result with clarity. Step 3, weave in the shortcut we said, or use AuthorityVideos to do it all automatically. You say, show how your product simplifies the hard parts. Step 4, record weekly avatar or not. We wrote 1 script per week and dropped it using the KOOL avatar. You 1 video, 1 problem, 1 week at a time. Step 5, repurpose like a beast. We turned each video into shorts, LinkedIn carousels, blog posts, tweets, emails. You use your 1 tutorial to fuel 5 plus platforms. That's a content engine. Step 6, stack momentum. We didn't aim for viral, we aimed for Oscar. Comments like, this helped so much. Sign up saying, found you on YouTube. You 1 video per week, equal trust on autopilot. In just 30 days, this system can deliver your first 10 videos live, 50 plus repurposed content pieces, a growing subscriber list or email base, daily trial signups from inbound, organic content, more clarity, trust, and conversions, all without a sales pitch. Thinking this is what you need? We build this entire system for founders, script avatar, or voice setup, weekly content, repurposing flow. More on that in a sec, or book your free strategy call now using the link below. Part 4, but what if I'm not good on camera? Cool, use your voice plus screen share. I don't have time. Batch 4 videos in one day, you're done for the month. I don't know what to say. Start with your onboarding questions or trial drop-off points. Part 5, what metrics matter? Track, trust, comments, DMs, replies, intent, found you on YouTube, inbound trial quality, ignore vanity, watch what compounds. In 2025, your best SaaS growth lever isn't ads, it's education. We didn't become YouTubers, we became teachers, and once people trust you, they buy. Quick recap, the AuthorityVideos method. Clone your voice or face. Teach weekly on YouTube. Repurpose everywhere. Let your product become the shortcut. This is the AuthorityVideos method. It's how we went from 0 to 1,000 plus users. It's your new growth OS. Ready to build your authority engine? This isn't a theory. We've done it for ourselves. We've done it for SaaS founders, consultants, coaches, and agencies. Now it's your turn. If you're serious about building trust that compounds, growing through value, not pressure, turning your knowledge into weekly demand for your product, then book your free 30-minute strategy call. Here's what we'll do. Design your content game plan, avatar or not. Help you define your persona plus your weekly hook. Show you how to go from script to video to leads and map out your exact authority video system. You'll walk away with clarity, strategy, and a full content playbook tailored to your SaaS. No pressure, no pitch, just proof and possibilities. Book your free strategy call now. I'm KOOL from AuthorityVideos, and it's cool when your business sells itself.